Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. The rebranded Your View Awards, YVAs, ended on a high last weekend at the National Indoor Sports Centre.
I always say I'm feeling thankful because when you know the work that you put in and you've got other things going on in your life and then you have people behind you that you know are right there, when you feel their energy, you're just thankful.
Dancehall artist Popcorn and the Ravers Clavers were the evening's biggest winners. Popcorn took home the awards in 4 categories: Favorite Caribbean Artist of the Year, Favorite Local International Artist of the Year, Favorite Local Male Artist of the Year, and Favorite Music Collaboration for the single We Pray with Dre Island. Now, Ding Dong and his Ravers Clavers team also took home 4 awards. Ding Dong won for Male Dancer of the Year, Disha Ravers Female Dancer of the Year. The team won Favorite Dance Group of the Year, and Cool Ravers took home the award for Favorite Dance Move for Fling. Spice and Chronix each took home 2 awards. Spice won for Favorite Local Female Artist of the Year and Favorite Local Music Video Concept for Sheet. Meanwhile, Chronix is this year's YVA recipient of Favorite Local Chart-Topping Song for Likes and Album of the Year Chronology. Other winners include 4th Gen artist Governor, Gospel Sensation Kevin Downswell, Itonia, and Alkaline. The Your View Lifetime Achievement Award went to the Rhythm Twins, Slide Dunbar and Robbie Shakespeare. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, Jamaican reggae star Jimmy Cliff will embark on his first major international tour in 2 years. He will start touring this March in Southeast Asia, with scheduled tour dates in Europe and the United States. The tour is scheduled to culminate in October. The reggae superstar is best known for the songs You Can Get It If You Really Want, How Do They Come, and Many Rivers to Cross. Jimmy Cliff is one of only 2 living musicians to hold the Order of Merit, the highest honor that can be granted by the Jamaican government for achievement in arts and science. About Noon is the latest single from reggae crooner Protege. The single is produced by Winter James and Lamont Savory. About Noon is an official single from Protege's upcoming 4th studio album to be released by Indignation Collective Overstand Entertainment. Protege's new album will be a follow-up to the 2015 full-length project Ancient Future, which features the hit single Who Knows alongside Chronix. Protege and the Indignation Summer Tour is scheduled to start on June 9 at the Caribana Festival in Switzerland. He's also slated to perform in Belgium, Slovenia, Sweden, Spain, and France. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.